In this video, let's discuss about how to fix Spotify radio not working. So whenever you try to run the radio within Spotify, if it fails to load or shows a cannot start error, in this situation, the first thing that you can try to do is clear out the app cache. So what you simply need to do is hop out of the Spotify application, tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and tap on the clear cache as well as clear data option. What this does is deletes any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue, as well as it will log you out of your account. So log in back and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, then what you also need to try out is ensure that you are not within the offline mode in Spotify. If you are on the offline mode, this may also be causing the issue. And lastly, what you can try out is just reinstall Spotify onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version of the application, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.